Hello everyone, this is Jia. There is nothing like homemade roast chicken. There are so many ways to roast it. Today, we are going to make soy sauce flavored roast chicken. Soy sauce makes the chicken very tender and flavorful. It tastes great. Let's get started. We're going to use young chicken, organic chicken, and this is 1 kilogram. It's not so big. Looks gorgeous. And let's trim it a little bit. Turn it over, and we're going to remove excess fat from the chicken. So I'm using scissors. So this is all fat. Throw this away. Same, the other side. And we're going to cut here. Good. It's all trimmed. Now let's wash it. Done. My chicken is clean. I want to pat it dry using a paper towel, including inside the cavity. Make sure it's clean. Good. Now, generously season with salt and pepper. Just lightly season it because we're going to marinate the chicken in a soy sauce mixture. So including inside, then black pepper. Okay, let's put this aside and then make a soy sauce mixture from now. We're using small blender to make a marinade for chicken. First, add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, along with 4 cloves of garlic. Done. Smells great. Okay, put this aside, and we're gonna work a little bit more with the chicken. So in the cavity, we wanna add some spring onion. You may use lemon, or today I happen to find yuzu. I'm going to use some yuzu as well. Put a few of this inside the cavity. Okay. Now let's truss the legs. Let's just not cut it too short, because we want to take this out later after roasting the chicken. Okay. We're going to put the chicken in a sealable plastic bag, along with a few stalks of spring onion. Pour the soy sauce mixture into the bag and gently massage the chicken with the sauce. Make sure it's all well mixed. Take the air out from the plastic bag, and then you're gonna seal it. Good. Okay, Marinate the chicken. Rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. If you have time, resting in the fridge overnight makes the best result. It has been 3 hours. It's done. The key to make crispy chicken is getting as dry as possible. Chicken already absorbed the marinade sauce. So let's use a paper towel, blot the chicken on all sides until there's no more visible moisture left. My chicken weighs 1 kilogram. If your chicken is bigger than mine, you will need some more time. If this process is not properly done, the chicken doesn't get crispy. So make sure you pat them dry and then ready to go. We're going to preheat the oven to 210 Celsius and we're going to bake it for an hour. Okay, my chicken has been grilled, has been roasted for 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is flip this over and cook another 30 minutes. And I want to add little vegetables along with my chicken. Any vegetable that can be grilled. And let's add some onion. Again, it goes back to the oven and we're gonna bake another 30 minutes. My chicken is done. Making roast chicken is simple but can be an elegant meal. Let's decorate a little bit with vegetables. Looks so great and smells so nice. We're going to wait for about 20 minutes and then we want to taste it. It smells wonderful and I'm quite sure it's going to taste very good. The skin looks so crispy and inside should be very juicy. Using soy sauce mixture is a great way to impress your family or friends. It's very easy to make. You need only time and patience. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.